Okay, cut the chain first. Okay, we cut, let me see, one set, 2 set, 3 sets. I cut a 4 set. Four set here. Then this way we'll go string the piece of the beads on each side. On each side, not seam long. Okay, 2 pieces. Then the second. Cross it. Okay, 2 pieces. Yes. Then one again. So here is just when I start to string the piece of the beads more, then I put the piece of the chain on it. Yeah. 3 pieces. If you have the beads who are more big, it will be better. Here I feel the beads who are not enough big. Okay, 3. Then again the beads, again the chain. I remember this one, maybe we have the tutorial, but a long time ago. Four. One, two, three, 4. Okay, so you see, if it's understand that I put the chain on layer by layer here, then last layer the chain here. This one. One, two, three, four, five. Or we can back to 3. Here is 4 is the wide part, then we can back to 3 piece. Here, then 2. Hi, happy to see you. 1, 2. Then again, the last one. Okay, so this is the way here. Yeah. Here fold. We can repeat the end. Okay. Yes, so this is the way that's to braid it, and use a hook. So Sophia, this is the way how we're making the earring by this chain. Okay. What size of wire? I use the 0.4. I use the 0.4. And the beads here is about 4 millimeter. Yeah, here is the way to making